रहे या ना रहे कल याद आएंगे ये पल ये है प्यार के पल। चल आ मेरे संग चल चल सोचे क्या छोटी सी है जिंदगी में उठा के ले चलो तू ही तो मेरी दोस्त है। आबाद का दरिया हूँ बहता हूँ मैं नीली रातों में मैं जागता रहता हूँ नींद भरी झील सी आँखों में आवाज
सीने में जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ। हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ती हूँ। कौन तुझे यूँ प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ।
चुराना नींदे उड़ाना दिल को चुराना नींदे उड़ाना बस यही मेरा कसूर। वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं मरने से मैं कभी डरता नहीं। का इक्का बास अल्लाहों का सिक्का बास और जवाब लिखा बॉसा 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 बॉस सिक्स पैक का शहर जा पास बस ब्रांड पहनता पास एटीट्यूड से बढ़ता बास बास बास।
Wish you happy birthday, Monu.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Monu. Stay blessed.
Hi, Ginny. Firstly, I should thank Lord Krishna that you are part of my life. I wish you wholeheartedly a blissful happy birthday. One small anecdote which I want you should follow is Manasa Vacha Lakarmane. Stay blessed. Love you, Chote.
Birthday to Mohan. Happy birthday to Mohan.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey man, this is for you. Happy birthday, Ginny. क्या बोलता है? एंजॉय कर.
हाय दिनेश अंकल, हैप्पी बर्थडे। दिनेश अंकल याद है आपने मेरे बर्थडे के दिन आपने मेरे को एक स्कूटर खरीद के दिया था, वो अभी तक मैंने संभाल के रखा है। वो हमारे न्यू हाउस में पड़ा है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग ज़्यादातर सब स्पोर्ट्स वहीं रखते हैं ना की गेम्स, तो अभी तक वहाँ ही पड़ा है। रोज़ खेलता हूँ मैं बाय बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय।
हे जिनेश, कैसा है? विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई। यार याद है तुझे वो स्कूल के डेज़ जब हम लोग टॉफ़ी बांटा करते थे स्कूल में, और हम लोग सोचते थे कि यार कुछ एब्सेंट हो जाए तो हम लोग को टॉफ़ी बाद में लौटते समय खाने को मिल जाए। और वो कॉलेज में कॉफ़ी हाउस वाले बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशंस याद है ना? चल यार, टेक केयर, हैव फन एंड विश यू अ हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। बाय डियर।
Hi Jinish, remembered that today is your birthday and I'm happy because Facebook and WhatsApp does not have to remind me about it. And I tell you, it actually is a big deal to me, just as how you mean to me, bro. Some people were born to be sporty, some to be academically good, while some others are socially gifted. But in your case, I think you're everything. You're simply great in all the things that you do in your own special ways. Happiest birthday wishes to my dearest friend, who can never be replaced by anyone. I pray that you fulfill all your heart's desires so that later you will have no regrets at all. May you overcome the challenges which will come your way as you move towards success. Live your life without giving a damn about other people's criticism. Once again, have a wonderful birthday, bro, and enjoy to the fullest.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. बचपन वाला गाना. So wish you many many happy returns of the day. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000 और बहुत एंजॉय करो अपना बर्थडे. बट जब मिलेंगे तब मुझे पार्टी चाहिए. जरा सी भी कंजूसाई बिल्कुल मत दिखाना, तो पिटेगा नालायक मेरे से बहुत. ठीक, चल अभी साल कोरोना के चक्कर में बख्शा तेरे को, अगले साल पार्टी चाहिए. ठीक है.
Happy birthday, Janish. Many, many happy returns of the day, man. Enjoy, bye. Have a wonderful day. Wish we were all together for your birthday, but enjoy just like the days we used to enjoy when we were together. Okay, man. Take care. Maze kar. Have a wonderful birthday. Bye.
Hello Jinish, happy birthday beta. My lots of blessing to you. Jinish, as the days passes, we become older and older. But I think in this life changes, and in this long journey, your best days were your school days, especially the class 11th and 12th. I remember you were very notorious, but very well behaved. You always are what I call an example of a fantastic student. Continue to work hard and do not rest on your own. And I know you shall achieve great, taking things in future. जिनीश, एक छोटी सी शायरी तेरे लिए. प्यारी सी भरी जिंदगी मिले आपको, खुशियों से भरे पल मिले आपको, किसी भी गम का सामना करना न पड़े आपको, ऐसा आने वाला कल मिले आपको. My lots of blessing to you beta and to your family. Thank you.
Jinish Pillai, whom you all know by this name, but I hardly call him by this name. I have always been calling him Hanu since the time I have known him. And that time was our college days, first year of my college. First time I went into Kuwait college, and this person was very notorious. When I saw him day one, I never felt I would ever be friends with this guy. But honestly, there was some kind of attraction in him that pulled me towards him, and we became very good friends. He's a very loving person, on and on. And then we became friends. Slowly we became very good friends. Then we fell into our affair relationship, and then we moved on. So this was our college days. After college, Jinish moved towards Mumbai, or I would say he came in Mumbai and to start his career life.
गुलशन की हर कली खुशबू दे आपको, सूरज की हर किरण रोशनी दे आपको. मैं तो कुछ देने के काबिल ही नहीं हूँ, पर देने वाला हर खुशी दे आपको. शुभ जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई.
हैप्पी बर्थडे, बहुत तरक्की करो.
बस ठीक है. सूरज को जितनी रोशनी है तुम्हारे चेहरे पर हो, फूलों में जितनी खुशबू है उतनी तुम्हारे दिल में हो, आसमान की जितनी ऊंचाई है तुम्हें उतनी तरक्की मिले. शुभ दिन की शुभ कामनाएं.
मुबारक हो तुमको ये जन्मदिन तुम्हारा, जो मांगो तुम रब से मिल जाए सारा. हैप्पी बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू.
वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे जिनीश बाबू. जिनीश बाबू को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई. ईश्वर आपको शक्ति और सामर्थ्य दे कि आप अपने साथियों और अपने छोटों का सही नेतृत्व करते हुए अपने व अपने परिवार के समस्त सपनों को पूर्ण संतुष्टि के साथ पूर्ण करें. हैप्पी बर्थडे. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Here's wishing a very happy birthday to a gem of a person. You are incredible in the ways you take care of family, treasure the family. Your never-ending generosity and infectious smile is always there with everyone. Thank you so much for coming in our lives. Fly high with the happiness and wishing all your dreams come true. Wish you a very very happy birthday.
Kanjanan, birthday mana raha na. Thank you for coming in our life, and you're always loving nature and a cool attitude. Wish you a very happy birthday to your baby. Yo, आज तेरा happy birthday है. आज तेरा happy birthday है.
Happy birthday, Jetu. Uncle. I love you. Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे जेटू. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. हमारी सेल्फी बहुत दिनों की ड्यू है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जब भी मिलेंगे हम एक अच्छी सी सेल्फी लेंगे, बेस्ट वाली, और दीदी और धीरज को जलाएंगे.
Hey Jetu, wishing you a very happy birthday, man. Roshni has given this lot to us, so we are wishing you. Bless you.
नमस्कार जिनीश जीजा जी, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Too much Hindi na?
Jetu, you rocks. May God bless you, fulfill all your dreams, and be there always for you.
We always look up to you. Thank you for being a constant support system.
Once again,
Happy birthday.
And Jiju, you know, Vikku was there, is there, and will be there forever.
Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jetu. Have fun.
I miss you yaar. Kहाँ हो यार? Happy birthday यार. Enjoy your day.
Enjoy, Jetu.
Hi Jetu.
Hi, Jetu.
You are a brother from another mother. You are the youth icon for our family, right? I wish you a very happy 41st birthday, and I just wish that you hone one skill over the next 1 year. You really need to learn to ride the Activa after drinking, right? Especially when I'm sitting behind. Wish you a very happy birthday. You've been of great support. I love you a lot. We love you a lot.
We love you, Jetu. Wish you a very very happy birthday. Miss you. Miss being in Mumbai with you. Have a great 41st birthday. No, your turn.
Hi, Jetu. Happy birthday, Jetu.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Jetu.
रसगुल्ला भेज रहा हूँ गुलाब जामुन के साथ व्हाट्सएप पे, खा लेना.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day.
And our marriage again was a very difficult time, which was again whole solely taken care of by Jinesh and my family. He convinced my family members like very nicely, and then we went along. After our marriage, I immediately went off to UK, and there that time again Jinesh stayed alone, a married bachelor you would say. He stayed alone, again took all the responsibilities, or took care of all the responsibilities by himself, and there I was having my time, good time or a bad time in UK. After a year of spending a time in UK, we went for Switzerland trip. Why I'm bringing this thing in picture in Jinesh's documentary, because this was a very good time of our life. We really had great fun there. It was our first trip together after marriage, which we really had great fun in. So when we reached there, after that period, we continued with our lifestyles.
मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ डे टू जिनेश. अपनी मस्तियाँ अपनी बदमाशियाँ बरकरार रखना भैया. सबको चिल करते रहियो. गॉड ब्लेस. एंजॉय.
Hi Jinesh, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy with your family. Be safe. Have fun. God bless.
A very happy birthday to you, Jinesh Bhaiya. May you get many, many more candles to blow on your birthday. I hope you guys are partying hard, and I hope to see all of you soon. Bye-bye.
Hey partner, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a prosperous and a healthy year so that you can invest more with me.
Hi Jinesh, my dancing buddy. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Punch for Jinesh uncle. Happy birthday.
Have a lovely day.
4 years of that, Anshaj came in our life. He was a blessing for Jinesh. The moment Anshaj came in our life, Jinesh's career took a very nice turn. He started moving ahead in his life after that. So somewhere we both consider that Anshaj is very lucky for us.
Dear Papa, I know you are my best friend. Thank you for everything. I know you always fulfill my dreams, but only this is only for you. Happy birthday, Papa. I love you lots and lots. Mwah!
And after Anshaj, Unisource and this Sharda Crop Camp happened. Though the time in Sharda Crop Camp was not good for Jinesh, it's like it was very hectic job, I would say. But he got many opportunities being in Sharda Crop Camp. And Darshil, who came up with this idea to prepare a kind of a documentary on Jinesh's 41st birthday, met him in Sharda only, and his current client Pablo is also the one whom Jinesh met during his Sharda career. So after say 6 years of Sharda life, Jinesh decided one fine Ganpati, we decided that in fact it was his plan completely, that he would move on with his own work now. So then it took say roughly 1.5 months for us to decide that we should bring Minaj in existence, and along with Minaj, BNI came. So this entire journey is here in front of you all, where Jinesh, from a small child who studied in St. Gabriel School in Ranji, Jabalpur, I would precisely say Ranji, Jabalpur, then Science College, then his career life in Mumbai, and later on Minaj Camp. So it's been almost 2 years since since he's working in Minaj and also BNI. BNI again, he made many good friends. All those friends have tried to say some things about him. All his colleagues, his friends had given a lot more inputs, and for his birthday, which we would be now presenting in these upcoming videos or the clippings. I know I'm a little nervous, or you can say little shaky in this clip, but the credit goes to my husband. The entire last week before this birthday, he never went to office, so I hardly took time to prepare this clip, and that's all.
Hi Jinesh, your friends asked me to send you a congratulations for your birthday, and they told me to say something about you, about our relation in the past. thinking in the past, I only can say that you are the only person that can lose the way to came back to the hotel 3 times in 3 days. So I think you are really special. Not really. I want to wish you. You have a very good birthday. Congratulations, and I hope you stay your day with all your family or your friends. Thank you very much for working with me and knowing me, and nothing more. Bye bye, Jinis.
Happy birthday, Jinish. There's a friend of yours that wants to say you something too.
Happy birthday, Jinish.
Bye.
Bye bye.
In 2014, Ayansh took birth. Ayansh is again a gem of a child we are blessed with. Jinish was elated to have another son in his life, and Ayansh finally made our family complete. Then we saw many new changes in our life with Ayansh coming in our life.
Papa, here is your Mr. B. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. I love you, Papa. Mwah, Papa. Happy birthday. My son is nice. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, Jinish. Prashant here. Rudra here. Angad here. We would like to wish you a many happy returns of the day.
और birthday gift. Happy birthday.
गिफ्ट कुछ चाहिए? हाँ?
गिफ्ट कुछ चाहिए?
तो बोल देना.
बच्चे को चाहिए तो दे सकता हूँ मैं.
ओके.
बाय.
पार्टी पेंडिंग है.
ओके. पार्टी पेंडिंग है अंकल.
Hi Jinish sir, wish you many happy returns of the day. Talking about our memories, there are lots of memories which we have spent together. Almost we have spent 2.5 years in Sharda Crop Cave. So whatever I have learned from you, it's really helping me in my life. I can proudly say that you are my first mentor and guru and in professional life. So thank you so much for whatever you have given to me in my professional life. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Sanji. It's been 6 years knowing you, and what a journey it has been. What a roller coaster ride we had. I think we knew since 2014, and when I saw you initially, I thought, यार ये कौन है यार ये आदमी? But I didn't know the man behind that crazy guy. You have an amazing personality and terrific soul. And what I like about you is you are straight, apt, upfront, and you have amazing sixth sense. And I wanted to tell you that ऊपर वाला करे आप जैसा व्यक्ति सबके जिंदगी में प्रकट करे, उसकी जिंदगी संवर जाएगी. You are a world class entertainer. Keep spreading the love like you are doing, and I would like to share one thing. तेरे समंदर में डूबती कश्ती सा था मैं, तेरे समंदर में डूबती कश्ती सा था मैं, मुझे जिंदा रखने वाले पानी की लहरें हो तुम. Stay happy, stay safe, stay blessed. रब रखा.
Happy birthday, Jinish. I happy 41st birthday. I still think Jinish is a 14-year-old boy in a 41-year-old man's body.
Exactly.
So continue the 14-year-old spirit आगे भी.
और जिनीश मेरे तरफ से तेरे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल गिफ्ट है. आज ही के दिन मैं तेरा स्विट्जरलैंड वाला फोटो वायरल करने वाली हूँ. हैप्पी बर्थडे, एंजॉय.
और मैं अपना वाला विश अलग से करूंगा पर्सनल में. बाय.
बाय.
तरी चालेल पण नाच झालाच पाहिजे.
दिसायला एकदम हिरोलाही लाजवेल असा कॅडबरी बॉय, BNI मध्ये प्रसिद्ध झालेला डॉन, आपल्या रॉयल भावाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Jinesh, happy birthday. Prachi calls me up the other day to say that I have 30 seconds to wish you. मतलब तेरा BNI गिरी इतना बढ़ गया है कि घर में भी सब 30 सेकंड बोलता रहता है तेरा, right? Anyway, you have a great day, and once this COVID tamasha gets over, we'll once again jam up at your office to have a glass of coffee, a lot of banana chips, some snacks, and a puff as well through the window. Thank you and have a great day once again. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, Jinesh. On your birthday, I really want to share this, that you're the best person I have met in my life, and I'm so glad to share this with you. Once again, happy birthday. Stay blessed with amazing life and amazing fitness.
Happy birthday, happiest birthday to the most amazing, caring and loving person in my history ever. Another year older to you, and I just pray to God that you keep getting wiser, stronger, amazing, funnier, and be as you are. Be safe, have fun, and take a picture of each and every moment of this time. Lots and lots and lots of love, blessing and hugs. Happy birthday, my dear friend.
Happy birthday, Paji. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you, Jinesh.
Anu, love you lots. Wish you a very happy birthday, the 41st birthday, because you have gloriously spent your 41 years of life, and I expect you to continue the same as always, being the same loving, charming, and all the more handsome now. I love you. Hanu, this is only for you. Never forget. The same thing I would like to say again and again to you. I'm actually forgetting the lyrics of that song. कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जितना मैं तुझे करती हूँ. Somehow I always feel that this song is meant for us. And I love you, love you, love you lots. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. The credit for this video entirely, or this thought entirely, goes to Darshil, and thanks to all our friends who took time for us to give small testimonials for Jinesh. Thank you so much.